Fusion quick tips. In this tutorial, I created a shaking background using the camera shake node, and unfortunately it's left some gaps at the edge like that. So how do I fill those in? It's actually quite simple. If I click on the camera shake node in the right hand side and go down under edges, if I change that from canvas to either wrap or mirror, it gets rid of the edges. So in this tutorial I created a 2D background which is rotating in a 3D world, but it's not infinite. We've got edges missing here. So how do I solve it? If I click on the effect that created it, there are no edges for me to mess around with. Well, what I do in this situation is simply go to the merge before, go down to edges and change it from canvas to wrap. And there we are, it's done it. What's interesting about this is I actually used the merge before the effect was applied, so sometimes be careful of that. Follow me for more.